Hi everyone, it's me, Van. Welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for you guys. As you can see, I'm starting with my brows on. I have some fresh weave in, so let's just jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so the look today is fall inspired and I'm feeling something fiery and red. I have this red shade in my Morphe Dare to Create palette and I really want to try it out. So that's the look I have in mind today. My foundation I'm using today is my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. It looks very dirty. I haven't used this in what feels like forever because it's such a good foundation. I only use it for like special times and I was running low, but I'm gonna use it because I'm gonna buy a new one very soon. I usually use like 2.5 pumps, which is this much. Put it on my sponge and on my face. I saw they have a shade called Warm Coconut. This shade is Coconut. I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This is, as you can see, it's basically all done. But I'm sure there's some still trapped in this thingy and in the top. So I have a new one, but I just want to use all of this first and get my money's worth out of this. Because honestly, yeah, it's a drugstore concealer, but it's on the higher end of drugstore. It's like $8 for this concealer and it finishes really quick. If you use this every day, it will finish in like 2 weeks. I've been using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, giving it another try in the shade medium. I'm gonna dust it away using my Jordana press powder. This is in the shade Warm Caramel. I just use it to blend out the edges of the powder. For contour, I've been using the shade Evolve. Oops. I've been using the shade Evolve right here. And I think I'm gonna contour my cheeks slightly. It's more like a bronzer shade, which I like. It's kind of warm. It's not very cool tone. Once I have that on, I'm going in with my blush from e.l.f. in the shade Brick Red. Okay, once the base is on, I think I'll do my eyes first before I highlight my face because I'm not sure which color highlight I want to do. I want to see where the eyes take me, and then we might do a gold highlight or more champagne colored highlight, so we'll see. So let's just dive right into these eyes. I think I want to go in with an eye base, and this is actually a matte liquid lipstick, but it's a it's a metallic lipstick, so I think it would be a great base for my eyeshadow. It's from the brand Dragon. It's from AliExpress. So let's see how this looks. It's kind of sticky. I think I'll take Slow Burn from my Urban Decay palette. This one right here. Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette. Once we did that, now we can go in with the red shade. We're going in with Snatched on a flat brush right here. I'm gonna spray my brush and put Snatched all over my lid. Whoa. Okay, this shade isn't the most pigmented when you now apply it. It's pressed kind of like really hard in the pan and it looks shimmery, but it's not very shimmery. So it's not like a creamy shade, it's very dry. So you need to like really build it up if you want it to look like intensely red. It's a kind of like smoky wing. And for inner corner highlight, I think I'll take this kind of pinky from my Jaclyn. And once you do that, I'm gonna take my black eyeliner, put some in my waterline, pop some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put some lashes on. I did my lower lash line with a little more smokes, and I filled in my brows like darker. I put some black in there actually, just on the ends. Now we want to go in with our highlight shade. For that, I want to use the inner corner highlight. I want to use it on my cheeks. I use this eyeshadow. It's a pinky gold. It's from the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe collection. Not seeing that much of it. It's coming off just kind of gold. It's basically just looking gold, so I'm just gonna take my pink shade from my NYX Strobe of Genius palette. I'm gonna take this and mix it with the gold and use this. I think I want to mix in some of my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. I'm going to mix some of this in. Ooh, this is beautiful. For my lips, I think I want to do two lip options. I want to do a nude and a pink. So we're going in with the nude first. The nude is called Triumph from Makeup Revolution. This is like my go-to nude shade because it's like strictly nude. It has no pink in it or anything like that. So this is the look completed with a glossy nude shade. I do like the nude glossy lips with the look, but I have a feeling I may like the pink lips more. Okay, so time to switch up the lips a bit. And now I'm going in with Flat Out Fabulous by MAC. It's a really nice pink shade. As you can see, I use this a lot. I love this shade. And these are the eyes with pink lipstick. I like both of them. The pink, you wouldn't think it would go together. It's kind of close but kind of far at the same time. I like the both of them. This makes like a real statement and I kind of like pop. So it all depends on your mood and how you're feeling. If you're feeling for bold eyes, or if you're feeling to like tone it down and bring it down 3 notches. You know what I'm saying. And this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this fall tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like these. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Where do you think you're going? I have a new video right here, or you can subscribe to my channel right here. Bye, guys.